Hey everybody, happy quarantine day number whatever it is for you. I am here at my mom and dad's house to come visit, brought them some masks, all that happy stuff. So I wanted to share a DIY way to make either hand gel and that's Jack, he wants to help too. And to make some foaming hand soap using DoTERRA Essential Oils. So here we go. So for the hand gel, we are going to have the following ingredients. We're going to have aloe vera gel, and you need 5 tablespoons of that. Rubbing alcohol, they say anything over 70% is the best as far as killing germs. You'll need 3/4 of a cup for that. Some hot water, and that'll be 4 tablespoons. And then last will be the OnGuard Essential Oil, and you will need 8 to 10 drops of that. Okay, so we're trying to keep it clean in here, so we're going to use a Ziploc bag inside of a bowl to help mix it and then disperse it. I have these little bottles that we're going to put it in. And then I'm just going to spread this out a little bit so that helps. So we're going to start with the aloe vera. We have 5 tablespoons there. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? But yeah, we're going to put that in there. I always thought it was green because everything that comes in is green. But yeah, it's actually clear. All right, we got that in there. And then I'm going to put the rubbing alcohol. We got 3/4 of a cup here. Let's put that in there. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And then I'm going to add some hot water. And I'm going to need 5 tablespoons of this. So, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 5. All right. I'm going to stir this up. It's like a big bag of goop. Let's put our oil in, and I'm using the OnGuard. Hopefully you can see that OnGuard from DoTerRA. We're going to use 8 to 10 drops. Ooh, this stuff is already strong with the alcohol. And a 1 for measure. 1 for good measure. Let's stir that up. Oh, make this smell so much better. I love the smell of OnGuard. It just smells so clean. So it's still pretty watery. From what I understand, it's going to congeal as we go along, so what I'm going to try to do here is put it in little containers. So here we go. All right, so I just put it in a Ziploc bag. So I was going to cut the little corner tip off so you can try to get it in there nice and somewhat
easy,
unmessy. Here we go. I already feel it starting to congeal up a little bit. Whoa, I went crazy on that one. I think I had it over the dish. What am I gonna do? I didn't get out of this bad boy. I can get one more, Ma. Let's see what we can do here. Whoa. Sucker, little sucker. Oh, come on, get in here. See how it's already congealing? It's like, wow. That's kind of gross, but kind of cool. Let's see if I can... Okay, you get the picture. Alright. Just made some labels in our little label maker to show what they are. How super cute. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottles out of that. So not too shabby. So say thank you to my assistant. This is Mom. Come here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So I hope you guys found this pretty easy. Hope you guys make your own. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you later.